Hi everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to set up recurring invoice payments for your business using Cash App. Whether you run a small business, freelancer, or just need to bill clients regularly, setting up recurring invoice is a great way to save time and ensure you get paid on schedule. Let's get started. First, open Cash App and make sure your account is set to business mode. You can do this by tapping your profile icon, then scrolling to switch to a business account. If is not already enabled, business accounts allow you to send invoice and receive payments for goods or services. Once you are business mode, go to the home screen and tap to plus or payments icon to create a new invoice. Now tap on create invoice. You will be asked to fill in the details where you have to add your customer email or cash tag and enter the invoice amount and add a description for the service or products like monthly web maintenance or weekly tutorial. Next, look for the option labeled make this invoice recurring and toggle it on. If you don't see this, make sure you have updated the app or try switching back to the home screen and repeating the process. Now set the recurrence frequency. You can choose weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly depending on your agreement with the client. Then set a due date for each invoice and choose whether you want to automatically resend unpaid invoice, a great feature to avoid manually follows up. After everything looks good, tap send or schedule invoice and Cash App will automatically and invoice Cash App will be automatically and send invoice to your client at the set interval. And don't worry, you can always manage your recurring invoice by going to your activity tab, selecting the invoice and make edits or cancellation anytime you need. That's it. If this tutorial helps, be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next